Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Sekina Tuba. If this is your first time on this channel, you are most definitely welcome. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make this turmeric black soap with salicylic acid and niacinamide. First, I'm going to go ahead and tell you the active ingredients and the functions. This black soap helps to clear acne, it helps to clear sunburn, it helps to clear blemishes, it helps to clear eczema and all other skin congestion in general. The salicylic acid and the tea tree oil that are contained in this product helps to eradicate acne, it helps to get rid of acne, it helps to get rid of pimples, eczema, rashes and skin blemishes. It helps to reduce congestion of the skin, thereby making the skin appear more smooth and more radiant. Also helps to clear dark spots and hyperpigmentation and sunburn because of the niacinamide, which is the vitamin B3 that is contained in this product, and also the turmeric powder that is contained in this product. Turmeric powder is a natural skin lightener. It helps to lighten the skin naturally, or let me say brighten the skin naturally, and it helps to clear dark spots. It reduces the appearance of dark spots, sunburn and hyperpigmentation. But niacinamide contained helps to fade hyperpigmentation as well, but it also helps to reduce fine lines and wrinkles, and it helps you to get a more younger, a more glowing and a more vibrant skin. So we have 100 grams of African black soap, as you guys can see. This is our black soap. I have 10 grams of shea butter. So now I'm going to be adding 10 grams of carrot oil. This is carrot infused oil. So here I have 5 botanical powders. I have some turmeric powder. This is 4 gram turmeric powder. This is 4 gram sandalwood powder. This is 4 gram camwood powder. This is 4 gram neem powder, and this is 4 gram orange peel powder. So these are the botanical powders that I'm going to be using in my black soap today. So look how beautiful they are. Oh my god, I feel like eating it. So because this is black soap for acne, dark spot and hyperpigmentation, I'm going to be adding salicylic acid. This is salicylic acid. I'm just going to be measuring. So now I'm going to be adding powdered milk. I'm going to be adding about 4 grams of powdered milk as well. So I'm adding 40 ml of distilled water. So a lot of you guys used to come at me about preservative. So I said that, okay, since you guys are really keen on using preservative, I usually don't mind using preservative. I can use preservative and I might decide not to use it depending on the ingredients in my formulation. But since you guys really want preservative in the formulation, so I decided to bring this to you with preservative. But this is Optiphen Plus. I'm going to be using 1% of this Optiphen Plus. Since it is an acne black soap, we're going to be using tea tree oil, a few drops of tea tree essential oil, because this is so good for acne and blemishes. So I'm going to be using a few drops, about 5 to 10 drops of this in the formulation as well. So guys, this is all our ingredients for today's video. So I'm not going to break it down to you one after another, so you guys won't get confused. I'm just going to run you through the uses and the function of everything in this video. So the black soap basically is a raw black soap. If you watch, I uploaded a video based on black soap and I just explained what black soap does to the skin. It is a natural exfoliant and it naturally exfoliates your skin. So because of it contain cocoa pod and also potash, this is a very good exfoliant as much as it is a cleanser. So it is really good because it helps to draw out impurities from the skin, and it helps to fight against acne, blemishes, eczema and all that. So of course we have distilled water to dissolve the black soap in. We have shea butter. This shea butter is really good for the skin. It helps to glow the skin, it helps to kill eczema, and also helps with to tighten the skin. It helps to tighten the skin, it helps for your skin to glow. And also this is carrot essential oil. It is a good lightening oil. It helps to lighten the skin, it helps to lighten dark spots, since this soap is also directed towards lightening of dark spots and hyperpigmentation. Also help to tighten the pores and also help to reduce wrinkles and fine lines. That botanical powders, these botanical powders, everything has different function on their own. Turmeric powder is a lightening powder. It helps to naturally brighten the skin. It helps to clear dark spots and hyperpigmentation. Sandalwood powder is a really soothing powder. It helps to relax the skin. It helps to, like, it diffuses into the brain, and it helps to relax the brain. It's like a natural spa. It's like you're having your own relaxation powder in your skin. So it is really good, and it helps to kill eczema and pimples. Now camwood powder, this powder is really also good for the skin. It helps to tighten the pore. Now I have orange peel powder, so it helps to exfoliate the skin, and it helps to brighten the skin as well, because you know it is from orange, and orange is a citrus, and it is an AHA that brightens. That neem is really good for the skin. Either you are taking it on your skin or you are taking it orally through your mouth. Neem powder is really good, and it helps to eradicate skin blemishes, helps to eradicate acne and scars. Salicylic acid powder. Salicylic acid powder is really good for exfoliating the skin, and it's very good for acne and hyperpigmentation. It is also an exfoliant, and it exfoliates the skin gently. And then niacinamide, that is vitamin B3. Vitamin B3, it helps to fade hyperpigmentation as well, because we are moving towards dark spots. So it helps to fade hyperpigmentation, it helps to fade sunburn, it helps to fade dark spots, and then also helps to tighten the pores. It helps to fade wrinkles and fine lines. So it's really. And tea tree oil, like I said earlier, is very good for pimples, acne, blemishes. Like, it just kills. When I have pimples and I just put a drop of this on my pimples overnight, it dries it up. So it is very good for acne, pimples and eczema. So now that I've told you the function and I've identified all our ingredients, let's go right into making of the soap. So what we want to first do is we want to dissolve our black soap with water. Of course you can also use hydrosols or extract in place of just plain water. So I'm just gonna pour this in, and then we're gonna make it. So now I went ahead and I dissolved my niacinamide and my salicylic acid in hot water. So I'm just going to leave them to dissolve while my soap is dissolving as well. So now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to dissolve I'm going to melt the shea butter with the carrot oil, and I'll be right back. So now I'm going to add my dissolved oil into. I dissolved the shea butter in the oil, so I'm just going to add it in the mixture like so. So I already added the butter and the shea butter and the oil, and this is what we have now. So now I'm just gonna add the botanical powders with the milk powder right here. I'm just gonna mix that together. Add niacinamide dissolved and salicylic acid dissolved as well. So the salicylic acid does not like completely dissolve in butter, so but because it's black soap, so we don't mind. If I was doing a lotion, I'm gonna dissolve it in propylene glycol. So just want to mix that in, mix it in. So now I'm gonna put in a few drops of the tea tree oil, as you guys can see. So I put about 10 drops of it. I'm gonna stir. So now that our soap has dissolved, as you can see, so now we are just going to add the preservative to the soap. And then we're going to stir it. So you can see the consistency of our soap is like a paste. So guys, this is the product, this is the end product of the black soap. As you guys can see, it took the yellowy hue of the turmeric, so we can also call this turmeric black soap or brightening turmeric black soap. It depends on how you want to brand your product. If you guys have any question whatsoever, if you have any question, be sure to leave it in the comment section below. And if you haven't watched my other black soap formulations, I'm also going to be linking my other black soap formulation videos in the description box below. If you guys have any other video ideas that you would like to see from me, then be sure to leave it in the comment section below or DM me on Instagram. Leave my Instagram handle in the description box below, so be sure to check the description box. I know you guys love my black soap videos, and like I've seen a lot of people that testify to the effectiveness of this black soap. So if you haven't watched my video on how to use black soap safely and how to effectively use black soap for you to get maximum effect, then I'm also going to be linking that video as well in the description box below. So be sure to check my do's and don'ts on how to use black soap more effectively for maximum effect. So that's it for this video. If you guys love this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, be sure to hit the subscribe button down below and be sure to hit the bell button so you get notified every single time I upload a video. Till next time, bye.